Hi, we're back. I'm Ashley with KBF.
I'm Adam, and today
We are here to talk about
the number one question that we get asked in regards to bathrooms is
how much does my bathroom remodel cost?
how much does it cost? And the answer is the same as with our kitchen remodels.
It depends.
It depends on the quality, it depends on the
Products that you install, it depends on the
service we provide.
it depends on the scope of the work, and it also depends on who you hire.
What we want to talk about here today is bathrooms and why is it that they are so much more per square foot than a kitchen?
Why is that?
It's because they're hard.
For instance, there are actually some companies that will do kitchen remodels in different areas of your home, but they won't touch bathrooms. And the reason behind that is they're so complex. It takes such highly skilled labor to make a bathroom right. In a bathroom, you have floor tile,
Shower wall tile,
accent tile,
shower floor tile,
paper holder,
niche components,
cabinet color,
sills,
countertop,
shower heads,
sinks,
valves,
mirrors,
lights,
bathtub,
countertops.
towel bar. There are so many different products and decisions that go into a bathroom remodel.
And we still need a demo crew, a framer, a drywaller, a painter, a licensed plumber, licensed electrician, cabinetry installers, countertop fabricators, and we haven't even scratched the surface on what goes beneath. The average shower head pumps 2.5 gallons of water per minute, and so if you take a 10-minute shower, that's 25 gallons of water that you're soaking your mortar bed with.
We all know the importance of building a well-built shower, not one that allows mold in the corners and leaks onto the floor.
So what are some of the building materials and what makes showers so difficult alongside them?
We'll probably do a video down the road to show you the difference between a rubber liner and the Curdy Schluter system that we use, just as one example. But there are so many different mechanics and materials, upgrades from what the builders use that go into making a shower the watertight structure that it should be before the tile even goes on. One big misconception that we hear is,
Something we hear a lot in the remodeling industry is,
I want to start with my bathroom because it's just a small bathroom. It's probably not going to cost that much.
small bathrooms are actually the most expensive room to remodel per square foot. And the reason for that is, even though the bathroom is small, it still requires all the same trades to remodel it.
Even if it is a small space, a lot of times we're still packing the same number of products into this small space. That doesn't necessarily mean that that small bathroom is going to cost much less than the large bathroom. We hope this gives you some insight into why a bathroom costs what it costs. For more information on this, please visit our website, kbfdesigngallery.com, and click on our pricing tab.
And don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and hear about how your bathroom remodel is going or how we can help in getting you started.